In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Darktable. If you're freeing up space, switching tools, or just starting fresh, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the standard Windows methods and point out a built-in alternative that does the exact same job. First, open your system's app management area. On most recent versions of Windows, that's Settings, then Apps. You can get there by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon, or by typing Settings into the search bar and choosing Apps or Apps and Features from the left side. If you're on an older setup or simply prefer the classic view, you can use the Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then click Programs, and then Programs and Features. Both paths lead to the same place, a list of software installed on your computer. Once you're looking at the list, find Darktable. The list can be long, so don't hesitate to use the search box in Apps and Features, or sort alphabetically if you're in the Control Panel view. You're looking for the entry named Darktable. If Darktable is currently running, go ahead and close it before continuing to avoid any interruptions during removal. When you see Darktable in the list, select it and choose Uninstall. Windows may prompt you to confirm, and you might see a user account control window asking for permission. Click Yes to proceed. Next, follow the on-screen prompts in the Darktable uninstaller. These prompts may vary slightly depending on the version you have installed, but typically you'll confirm that you want to remove the application, and the uninstaller will take care of the rest. If the process asks you to close related components, let it do so. In some cases, you may be asked to restart your computer at the end. If you see that prompt, saving your work and restarting ensures everything is fully cleaned up. There's also a built-in alternative that performs the same removal. If you prefer, you can run the uninstall.exe file located in the Darktable program folder. This is usually found within your program files directory. Launching uninstall.exe opens the same uninstaller you'd see through Settings or Control Panel, so choose whichever path is more convenient for you. That's all there is to it. You've opened your app management, found Darktable, clicked Uninstall, and followed the prompts. With that, Darktable should be removed from your system, and you're ready for whatever comes next. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, feel free to check out more simple how-tos just like this one.